Okay, so apparently it's now printing. What's he saying? What do you know about everybody also asks you the same 5,000 questions she's asked me, and I said, didn't want to get through. I went to the woods and I the place to. Interesting. Yeah, well, looks like I'll have to keep tabs on this. I got a test one, lathered in a paint from Warhammer's shop. It's called Recent Green. It's a technical paint. It's specifically made to look like a gemstone. So, see, it's alright. It's dry. That looks pretty good, actually. Yeah. I'd say it looks pretty good. I like that. Josh, what do you think of that? Waystone green. Does that look gemmy enough? I mean...
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'll say that was a success.
If you can try and find a green LED, that might be perfect because you've got a hole in there. You can stick it further into it.
I think
and then power the green LED and make it green.
I was thinking about that, but I think I'll just stick with this. I mean, it's supposed to go on a machine that's supposed to come from the 1890s or something. So, I mean, it makes sense. I can see where you're coming from. Well, it's supposed to be quartz, and quartz comes in all colours except green. Green quartz is more rare because it can only be green if it's exposed to radiation. So that's an interesting one. Yeah.
John was
Got the next form. It's looking good so far. Gotta keep an eye on this though. Gotta have a little bit of tape so the white tube doesn't fall, because if it does, it's gonna be a complete mess. Because it comes out of there. This white tube just comes out. It's not attached in any way. And then there's this. It's basically your ink. I've got to keep an eye on it, make sure that it doesn't run out. So that's good. The test went well. I'm gonna go check on that.